So today we are going to draft a supply air diffuser in AutoCAD. So a supply air diffuser has two diagonals, and also it has arrows indicating that the air is flowing outwards from the diffuser. So we will go by step procedure. First of all, we have to take a rectangle. For that, press RECTANGLE, rectangle of 300 into 300 mm. So first we have to specify the point, and after that press here 300 comma 300, enter. We will get a rectangle of 300 into 300 mm. After this we have to take offset of this particular box, that is of 300 into 300 mm. For that we have to press OFFSET, offset command. Now it is asking specify offset distance, so we have to take offset distance as 50 mm. Press enter. Now it is saying select object to offset, so you have to select this particular box and drag it at the center midpoint. Again go for offset, again go for offset, take offset distance, again it has 50 mm, and press click on, that is on the second box, and drag at the center. We will get 2 and again 3, again total 3 boxes. Now we have to take a line command, or you can press L and create 2 diagonals. Press escape, again type space indicates that, if we type space it indicates that. Again we are using that same command. Now again we can escape it. Right, so we have created this box. Now we have to create four, like this. In this picture we have to create 4 arrows. So this procedure is quite simple. What we need to do is just take a polyline here from the center, just drag it, don't take over from the center. Just this, from here we can take distance of 50 mm as length. Now important thing is press W, enter. Now go for 50 mm, then press enter. Now again press 0, and after that you have to press 90. So we will get this arrow, but the arrow we have got is only on one side. So for creating these arrows on 4 sides, that is on remaining 3 sides, what we need to do is we have to take array command array command. Then we have to select the object that we need to make the array. Then you have to take as polar. Now what we need to do is from center we have to enter, but we need only here from the figure we need only 4 arrows. So you can see in this table you have to type at the above, we can type as 4 items, then press enter, then we will get the 4 arrows. We can close this tab. So this is designing of supply air diffuser. Thank you.